Good morning. This is Math 5-4, Lesson 119, the second to last math lesson of the year. So that means just one more lesson next week in the test. Today you are doing decimal subtraction. Now remember, when adding and subtracting decimals, you have to line up the decimal point or it doesn't work. So we have 36 and 45 hundredths minus 4 and 2/10. So I'm going to take my 36 and 45 hundredths, write it down. Now I'm going to see where my decimal point is and put it there and write that number in. I will fill in the missing number after the decimal so that it looks a little better when you're subtracting. You don't forget to subtract anything. So 5 minus 0 is 5, 4 minus 2 is 2. Bring down that decimal point right away. 6 minus 4 is 2. And 3 minus nothing is 3. So 32 and 25 hundredths is your answer. Now let's look at example 2. We're taking 4 and 5/10 minus 3 and 27 hundredths. Don't be tempted to switch those around. 4 is bigger than 3. We're taking 3 from 4. So I'm going to write my 4 and 5/10, put my next decimal point below, and put my number around it. And don't forget, we are subtracting. Always put what you're doing on there. Now notice we need something here in order to do the subtraction. So let's put a 0 in. Now can I take 7 from 0? No, I will need to borrow. Only borrow 1 though, 5 to 4. So 10 minus 7 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. Bring down that decimal point. And 4 minus 3 is 1. A lot of people forget to bring down the decimal point when adding and subtracting. Don't do that. It changes the answer. The answer is 1 and 23 hundredths, not 123. So just be careful when you're doing this. Line up your decimal points, do the subtraction, and bring down the decimal point. Okay? So if you have any questions, I will be on Discord.